everyone, today we are going to be doing a house tour. So yeah, let's get on with it, okay? So yeah, that's our house. So what are we, so yeah, my friend Garrett is in our video for some reason. He goes to our school, but we don't have school right now. So yeah. Okay. Gracie will be doing the walking,
which I'm doing right now.
Okay. So this is the kitchen. It's quite nice, isn't it? I think. So yeah, it says sweet breakfast. Sweet yogurt. So yeah, this is pretty much okay. So this is the dining room. It says eat now. So we're gonna die. So yeah, and I placed some grapes. Kitchen dinner toilet says take it or leave it. Okay. So yeah. This kind of looks like an outdoor house. It's like a cozy kind of house. Okay. And this is Gracie's room. This is Gracie's room. Yeah. We really like it. And this is Gracie's bathroom. I added a shower in there because we needed a shower. And I forgot about the whole shower situation. And, oh, look it. Close the door. It's not a touch screen. Okay. It says follow your heart, which is very inspirational. And then the black hole mirror. Okay. Open. And then this next room, you could have just pressed E, but okay. This is the twins room. We're twins, yeah, duh. I haven't changed the pictures yet. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, this is over here is the living room. It's quite nice. And guess what? One second. Garrett, my friend, is out here. 1 second, guys. I'm gonna say I'm making a bed. Okay. Anyway, about what we were doing. Wow, okay, it's frozen. Okay, how about we go upstairs? Okay, so this is the upstairs hallway. No beauty shines brighter than that of a good heart. So yeah, this is the upstairs hallway. Okay. This is the living area of the upstairs. How about we get rid of the chat because I don't have time for Garrett right now. Family where love begins and life begins and love never ends. Hi. Okay, let's go to the rooms. Okay, E. And this is the master bedroom for when me and Gracie are parents and we have kids. So yeah, love is love. No. Okay, Gracie, 1 second. Let me block here, actually. I don't really care what he says.
Can you build my house?
Yeah, I know. 1 second, you guys. Okay, I have to block everyone except for Gracie. Oh wait, she's not even on the game. Okay, come on. Okay, that right there is the room I sleep in. And I have my own little bed. Why did I say bedroom? My own little bathroom, and it has bathroom rules, but you can barely see them because I have a little poster. It says bathroom rules, okay? So yeah, we're done with the house. Now, oh, I forgot about this room. But yeah, this is the guest bedroom.
It has a poopy.
Poop emoji for their guest bathroom. Okay, we're done with the upstairs and the downstairs. Now let's go see the garage and the front yard. And then after that, the backyard. Okay, so yeah. Okay, this is the garage. It's very, very cramped. But we don't have just 2 vehicles. Wait. Let's go see the front yard. So yeah, we have 2 cars. I mean 4 cars. Okay, so let's go to the backyard now. So yeah, it's very big and we're not quite finished with the backyard. And we need to see the whole backyard. Yeah, it's pretty much all of the house. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I'm sorry, I know it wasn't that good. I'm sorry, but wait, we're not done yet. Oh, Garrett is still out there. Okay, now we're gonna take a area. Why did I say area? Why am I not? So yeah, this is the front yard. So yeah, goodbye. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what videos to do next. Bye.